Tiga.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce our group. My name is Tia Marnas. My name is Satya Dewi. My name is Pariyat Krishna.
And my name is Katan Sringawi. We will start with the dialogue and we have Karen and the test our pronunciation in English.
The myth of friendship. Who do you agree with, Sabika? I agree with Luca Pori. We can tell everything about ourselves to our friends.
Our friends a place to share stories. What's wrong with just telling stories? By telling stories, we will feel relieved. I think it's okay as long as we talk to friends we trust.
We cannot tell everything to our friends, but we have to sort of what can be told and what cannot be told. Like family problems, this is a matter of privacy.
Oh yeah, that's right. Would you agree with Paul?
I agree with Flavia's opinion that we have to be friendly first to get friends. What if I cannot be friendly? Am I wrong if I don't have friends? No, Media. Eventually, you will be able to have friends. So, you have to be patient and wait for the right time to have your own friends. So, don't worry if you have many of few friends.
I totally agree, Satika. You don't need to have many friends. The important thing is to understand each other, to care for each other.
Whose opinion do you agree with, Flan?
I totally agree with friends Fernanda's opinion. To build a good friendship is have to one or two friends.
But having many friends will be better because it can broaden your horizons. No, Sakita, having many friends can indeed broaden your horizon and experiences. But having fun with friends takes time. That's why, in my opinion, it's better to have one or two friends. Whose opinion do you agree with, Lydia? I totally agree with Nicolai's opinion. Waiting for other people to make you happy, it is not good. But sometimes other people can make us happy by being with other people. Just like we can promise a friend to watch a movie at the cinema.
No, Cory, there are times we are happy, and there are times when are not. Either we will stay sad and when we are not happy. Try to think about why I can do stop it.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum.